Welcome to the flip through of my 2018 Halloween album. It's quite a large chunky album, and inside there are papers from several different places, including My Mind's Eye, which is this bit here. This is a My Mind's Eye Halloween Lost and Found, part of their collection there. I also found some papers on Pixel Scrapper and downloaded a few things from Tsunami Rose. There is a tutorial, and the links to all those places where I found the papers are in the tutorial. So let's get to the album. It is a big chunky album. Let's get my ruler. It is approximately 9.5 inches tall and 9.25 inches wide, and the spine is 4.25 inches, but it looks more like 4.5 here, but it is 4.25 inches. So as you can see, there is a corset binding down here, and the colour doesn't show up too well, but it's a lovely deep burnt orange and black. The back is just plain with a small chalk label sticker here, so you can write on it in white gel pen. This is all hand stitched, and within the hand stitching I've broken through the thread and tied thread round it to make it look a bit more messy because I like that effect. And as you can see, it is huge. There is a ribbon tie closure here. The front of it, there is just flowers from many different places, including, I think this is Prima, and this was a Halloween ribbon that I gathered up. It has gold spiders on it, and there are also spiders, 3 of them on the cover. So let's get inside. Okay, on the front cover is just a cut pocket and a couple of photo mats here. Now, a lot of the photo mats are what I call just placement cards. They are just plain black photograph holders, placement holders if you like, for your photographs. And all the photo mats, unless I say otherwise, are either going to be 6x4, or they will hold a 6x4 photograph, or 5x3.5, 5x7, 8x6, or 4x4, and of course that's all in inches. Okay, it has 8 pages, so that's 16 sides altogether, and there is enough room for you to put a lot of photographs. This album is for photographs and for journaling. Only 8 sides of the papers are, only 8 sides of the pages are for photographs. The other 8 sides are all for journaling, and I'll show you that as we come to it. Inside each of the pages, they are all pocket pages, there is a simple photo mat which is just over 8x6 with a little ribbon pull tab, and they're just plain for you to add whatever you want onto them. And you can see they're staggered slightly down, so you can see the ribbons there. So page 1, we have a small tag which is held on with a magnet, and this opens up to show a very small pocket and a few fun little tags there. And that's how together with magnets. This then opens up, and on this side there's just very simple pockets. Then we have 3 flips. Each of these flips is also a pocket, and inside the pocket is a 4 1/8 by 6 1/8 placement holder card. So there's 3 of those, and then inside There's a little tuck spot here and another pocket with some photo mats in. Okay, so all the even numbered pages, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16, although they have slightly different papers, they are all exactly the same. So we have a little swing tab which opens up for a journaling spot. At the back here there's a large tag for journaling, and that's double-sided, and these papers came from Tsunami Rose. And then also inside there's a small journaling booklet, very plain, with lots of space for journaling. So you could actually use this Halloween album for like a page per year. And once again, all these papers came from Tsunami Rose. Okay, on to page 3. This is magnetised and it just moves up. There are simple photo mats in each of these pockets. Of course, really pretty paper from my mind's eye there. This opens up each side. Let's move this across so you can see. So you could stick photographs on here. There's a small tuck spot behind here and a little band here to hold things in, and also another pocket here with photo mats in. This then flips up and there's another tuck pocket at the top here. This then opens up and inside here is a very large pocket, and inside here is another large photo mat, which is a 6 by 8 photo mat. This whole pocket then flips down, and on this side it's just plain. There's a small pocket in the front here and a larger pocket behind, but this small pocket flips so you've got more space here to stick photographs. Once again, just photo mats in here, and this is a 5 by 7 photo mat. So once again, page 4 is just different papers but exactly the same. It's the same journaling booklet, it has the journaling spot and the same journaling tag there. So I'll just show you a brief view of the papers, but I won't go through them because they are all the same. Page 5 flips this way, lots and lots of space here. This opens up, it's plain on this side, and on this side we have a large pocket with some photo mats in. This then opens up and we have a split tuck spot here. So this is a belly band and a tuck spot which is sealed in the middle, so you can have a couple of tags in there. These are, I do believe, 3.5 inches by 6 inches, so they're the only odd size tags. And on this side we have a small tuck spot here and then 2 large pockets. This pocket obviously goes down to the bottom, and this is a smaller pocket. And this is held on with a magnet. These are the papers on this side. Some of the pages have the swivel tag on this side, and some of them will have it on this side. Page 7, and we have a corner pocket here that opens up with 2 tags in, and the same for this side. And in the centre, once again, lots of space. This opens up to reveal a little hidden pocket up here, and at the bottom here another 2 pockets, 3 pockets full of photo tags, photo mats. Here is the journaling side of this one. Once again, the only thing that's different is this bit across the top and the papers that were used. On to page 9, we have a tiny, tiny little pocket here, little tuck pocket. This opens up and open to reveal, once again, lots more space. And then we have a pocket here and a pocket here with more tags in. This then opens up again. There's lots of clear space on here, and these are 8 1/4 inch square main pages. These are 8 1/4 inch square, so you get an 8 by 8 patterned paper here, so lots and lots of space to put photographs. And then inside here, once again, there are 2 more pockets with lots of photo tags, photo mats. Here is the paper on this side. On to page 11. This flips open. It's held together with magnets. We have a little label here, which is a tuck spot with a couple of little tags in, and this pocket is full size. It goes right down to the bottom. This then opens up this way. On this side, we have another small pocket with some photo mats. We have some more of these flip pockets, 3 of those, and on this side another little tuck spot with some more photo mats. And obviously the journaling side of this page. Page 13, this is actually lifted up so you can just slide something underneath. It opens up this way and this way. On this side we have a full pocket right the way in, and another little tuck spot here with some little tags in. On this side, this is another large pocket, and then we have a nice little simple waterfall that holds, just on the plain bits, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 photographs, plus obviously the space here and here. On to the next page, and once again it's this paper. Page 15. Page 15. This flips up and we have another little tuck spot label here. This flips down and we have another little tuck spot here with some tiny little tags in, tiny little labels, and this is also a full pocket. This then opens up. On this side you have a double tuck spot here and a pocket here, and then you have this full picture, which is it's because a horizontal waterfall, and there are lots of pockets here to put photographs and tickets or anything like that, and there's one plain page, one page with a pocket, and that goes through one plain, one with a pocket, all the way to the end where you have a little tuck spot here. On to page 16, the last page, and once again it's another journaling page. And so all the journaling books are exactly the same. And these tags are the same also. On the back cover it's just one large envelope, and inside there's a few little bits and pieces that were left over from the ephemera and the cut apart sheet, and some 4 and 1/8 by 6 1/8 blank photo mats. So that's it. That is my big and chunky 2018 Halloween album. I hope you enjoyed that. This will be for sale in my Etsy store very, very soon. However, because it is obviously, as you can see, very heavy and very chunky, I do think the postage is going to be quite expensive, unfortunately. But I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. And I'll be thinking up my next project very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Back soon. Bye bye.